Okay, the first thing we're going to look at in terms of balancing equations is, I think we'll look at magnesium plus water. Oh, terrible writing. And you should know that magnesium plus water produces magnesium oxide. Oops, my writing's going to pot. Plus, oh dear, hydrogen. Just squeeze that in. First thing you need to do is underneath that is write the formulas for each of these. So magnesium is Mg, water you know is H2O, magnesium oxide. From previous lessons you should remember that magnesium oxide is simply MgO and hydrogen is H2. What we've got over here, that's one magnesium, we've got one magnesium over here, we've got two hydrogens over here, two hydrogens over here, we've got one oxygen here, one oxygen here, so the equation is automatically balanced. Let's look at another example. Let's look at sodium plus oxygen. This looks nice and easy because you produce sodium oxide. So we've got sodium as being Na, oxygen as being O, and sodium oxide from your valency table, we should remember sodium oxide is Na2O. But hang on a minute, oxygen is one of those elements that goes around in pairs. So now we've got over here one sodium, but we've got two over here, so we need to put a 2 in front, saying that we've got two sodiums reacting to produce those two over there. But actually we've got two oxygens here, which means we need to produce two oxygens here. That's only one, so we need to produce two lots of Na2O, sodium oxide. So now we've got two oxygens here, but it means that we start off with 4 sodiums, so we have to change that to 4. If it helps, you can look at it like this. Na reacting with O, and that produces, this isn't quite correct, but it helps understanding, produces Na2O. If you add them up, you've got one sodium here and two sodiums here, two oxygens here, and only one here, so there's another oxygen that's produced. But we don't produce oxygen as a product, we only produce sodium oxide, so that oxygen must be bonded with sodiums, which is why we must start with 4 sodiums. Last one we'll have a look at is aluminium plus chlorine. Aluminium plus, oops, oh dear, chlorine produces aluminium, oops, is my hand resting on there, aluminium, oh, sorry about that, aluminium, oh dear, aluminium chloride. Aluminium is Al, goes around on its own. Chlorine, remember, goes around in pairs, Cl2, and aluminium chloride, the valency table, is AlCl3. Now, if we have a look over here, we've got one aluminium, that's fine. We've got two chlorines here, but 3 over here. And that's more of a mathematical problem. If we have 2 of these, we started off with 1, and that wasn't enough. 2 chlorine molecules is 4 chlorine atoms. That's too much. So let's just try, rather than 2 there, let's just try 3. If we have 3 there, that means in total we've got 6 chlorines. Because we've got 3 over here, if we double that and make 2 lots of those, that's our 6 chlorines, which means we need to start off with 2 aluminiums. To look at that separately, we've got Al plus Cl, oops, Cl2 produces Al Cl3. And you should be able to add up, if you double that, so you've got 2, 3 and 2 there, that all adds up.